What's good everyone, my name is Pfozjéra and welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. But in today's video, I'm getting ready to go to a conservatory. I'm gonna be taking some pictures, just like bringing you guys along with me on that adventure. I just did my base. I'm gonna be doing a pretty interesting kind of look today and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I've got these pearls in a bunch of different sizes. It's 7 in the morning. There's no reason for me to be shouting, okay?
7 in the morning.
But I've got these pearls in different sizes and I'm gonna outline a butterfly, and I've got this little sticky pencil to pick them up. I'm gonna be using lash glue. I really hope this stays. This is my reference photo. So for some reason it's recorded in slow-mo and it's also muted. This is the finished look and as you can see it's a butterfly. This look took me over an hour and I was about to be late for the bus, so I just threw on my outfit and went. It's very pretty in here. I feel like I haven't shown you guys my fit, but that's what it's giving. It's very hot in here. I hope we find like some fish. Remember the last one had fish? There's a waterfall. It's so beautiful. I feel so calm right now. I love this for me. A little garden fairy, like, hello. I don't understand. Oh, that? It's a tail flower. There's a pineapple. Well guys, we have made it to the end of the video. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to hit your local conservatory or just go out in nature. Being out in nature really calms my spirit, you know. Being out in the hustle and bustle of things can just be a little overwhelming sometimes, but just getting into nature and like just connecting with yourself is so amazing and so grounding, and that's exactly what I needed. So I hope that you get out into nature soon. Remember to stream my single Metamorphosis. It's going to be out on March 15th. But yeah guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.